This video gives a quick demonstration of how the clip tool works in ArcGIS Pro. Clip is a geoprocessing operation in which one feature class, it could be points, lines, or polygons, is clipped or subsetted to the boundary of another polygon feature class. For this example, my goal in using the clip tool is to clip the roads for Vermont down to the boundary of Chittenden County, producing a new feature class so that only those roads that fall within Chittenden County are retained. To help with orientation, I'm going to head over to the Label tab and label each polygon based on the county name. My polygon feature class contains all the counties for the state of Vermont, but I only want to clip my roads down to Chittenden County, so I'm first going to select Chittenden County and then create a new layer from that selection. The polygon representing Chittenden County, along with the state road center lines, will then be used as the inputs to my clip operation. Now I'm going to head over to the Geoprocessing tab and use the search functionality to locate the clip tool. Clip is a very simple geoprocessing operation. My input features are the features that I want to clip, the road center lines. The clip features represent the polygon boundary that I want to clip the roads to, which in this case is that county boundary selection representing Chittenden County. And then my output feature class is going to be my new feature class representing only those road center lines that fall within Chittenden County. The output of the clip operation is a roads feature class for Chittenden County that is exactly the same as the original feature class, meaning that all the attributes are still there. The only difference is that the roads now do not extend beyond the boundary for Chittenden County. Turning on and off the original roads layer shows the difference between the input and the output of the clip operation. To recap, the clip tool works like a cookie cutter. It allows you to take a point, line, or polygon layer and clip it down to the boundary of a separate polygon layer.